Most phone number lists are outdated before you even open them, and every competitor has the same list. So I will show you how to get verified mobile numbers on the exact decision makers you want, one profile at a time, and thousands of leads in one go. To do this, we're going to need three tools: LinkedIn or LinkedIn Sales Navigator to target your leads, and Scalelist to find your leads mobile numbers. Let's start with the first use case with LinkedIn and Scalelist. Let me show you how to get any of your leads mobile numbers from a simple LinkedIn page. Let's say you want Lara Acosta mobile number or Dhruv Patel mobile number directly from their LinkedIn page. So for that, you need to leverage Scalelist, which is one of the best email and mobile number finder on the market, and use their LinkedIn Chrome extension. So for that, you need to go on the Chrome Web Store, click on Add to Chrome, and click on Add Extension. Now that your extension has been added, you can easily pin it with your other extensions. After that, you need to sign up for free on Scalelist to be able to see the extension visible on every profile that you want to enrich on LinkedIn. So for that, you just have to click on the Scalelist logo, click on, for example, Find Email to find the lead email, and then do exactly the same for the mobile number. So as you can see, we can find the email and the mobile number of Lara, and we can do exactly the same for Dhruv by just clicking on Scalelist, find email, and find phone. Once that's done for those two profiles, you can save that directly to a new list, for example, leads enrichment. Okay. And now we're going to do exactly the same for Lara by pushing this information into leads enrichment list. And now we are into Scalelist, and you can see that your leads that we just enriched are now into the leads enrichment list directly into Scalelist with their name, their title, their company, their email, and phone numbers. And now I'm sure you're going to tell me, hey, Arno, I'm using LinkedIn Sales Navigator and I want my 1,000 leads mobile number in just one go instead of doing LinkedIn page per LinkedIn page. And I totally get it. So that's why I'm going to show you exactly how to do it now. So now we are on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. I have already pre-filled some of the filters to create an amazing lead search with company count of 500 to 1,000. We are exclusively targeting CEOs and Chief Executive Officer based in Miami. And we want to take those guys that actually posted on LinkedIn very recently. And as we are using Scalelist Chrome extension, you can see that the export leads button from Scalelist is appearing on your screen. So to export your CEO's information into Scalelist to then enrich them with mobile numbers and emails, you just have to click on Export Leads. And now it's bringing us to Scalelist. All right, so the extraction is done. And as you can see, among the 167 lists that we exported from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, we found 124 emails and 154 phone numbers, mobile numbers exactly. So now you can take multiple action with those leads. Either you push them to your CRM, such as HubSpot, or you can drop them directly into your Lemlist campaign by just selecting one of those integrations. Or you can also export those leads into a CSV. Those two techniques help you to find your leads mobile number individually or in bulk. If now you want to know how to find your leads mobile number for free directly on LinkedIn, check out this video to learn how to do it. Hope you enjoyed. Happy scaling and see you in the next one.